Namaste and welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me Rukmini Shrestha. Welcome back to our new video. Today we will be practicing reading Nepali words together. So don't worry about the speed, just focus on the accuracy. We will read each letter slowly, combine the sounds and say the full word confidently. So now let's begin. When reading Nepali, read each letter slowly, join the sounds, and say the word smoothly. And remember, it's okay to read slowly. So that's how the strong readers are built. Now let's see the first word. Sa plus a, sa, sa. The next letter is tha plus e, thi, thi. When we combine these two letters, sa and thi, it becomes sa thi, which means friend. Next word is ka plus a, ka, and we add ma. The word becomes kam, which means work, and this formation we have already read in our previous lesson. Ka plus pa plus a, it becomes pa. The next word is la. And when we add those letters, it becomes ka pa la. And we pronounce it as kapal. Kapal, which means here. So what is the word formation of this? You can repeat after me. Ka plus o, the letter becomes ko. Ko. Next is tha plus a, it becomes tha. Tha. And when we combine these two words, it becomes ko tha. Ko tha, which means room. Ka plus a, ga. Ga. And we add the letter sa. It becomes gas. Gas, which means grass in English. Da plus u, do. Do. And we add the letter da. The word becomes doodh. Doodh, which means milk. Next is sa plus ma plus ya, it becomes samaya. Samaya, which means time in English. The word formation for this word is ka plus a, it becomes k. K. And we add the letter la plus a, la. La. And when you combine these two letters, it becomes kela. Kela, which means banana. Next word. Here is the cluster that we studied in our previous video. So what's the formation of this word? You can learn, or if you know, you can repeat after me. P plus ra, it becomes pra. Pra. And we add ka plus a, ka. Ka. And add the third letter sa. Sa. It becomes prakasa. And we pronounced it as prakas. Prakas, which means light. Next is also a cluster word. So what is the formation of this word? Ma plus e, it becomes me. Me. And we add t, t plus r. R. It becomes tra. Tra. So we add these two letters, mi plus tra, it becomes mitra. Mitra, which means friend. Now let's try a little longer word, and the word is, so let's try the formation of this word. Wa plus e, it becomes we. We add d, d, and we add another letter, ya plus a, ya. Ya. Add la, la. And lastly we add ya, ya. When we add we, th, ya, la, ya, together it becomes Vidyalaya. Vidyalaya. This word has 3 syllables, so you can take your time. It may look little bit complex, but if you practice daily and understand the principles, then it will be easy to form any word. Now, let's try forming this last word. Let's start. The plus ow, it becomes dow. Dow, and we add the letter da. Da. It becomes dauda. Dauda. And this means run or race. So this was the end of our lesson. Thank you for practicing these all words with me, and you can practice this daily in your daily life or daily conversation. Try reading the simple words and try forming these words as we practice today. And this will make your reading more fluent day by day. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Learning Nepali for more Nepali classes. So see you in our next video. धन्यवाद.